welcome back to my channel. So today I'm really very excited. Like I have planned this video like 4-5 days ago, and I was thinking I'm going to shoot today, and I did not shoot today. Finally I'm filming this, and I'm just so excited to share my Shein dress collection. Like it's not a collection, but it's just like 6 pieces which are under 250 rupees, and I love them. Yes, you heard me right. I got these dresses for under 250 rupees. I'm so excited, I can't like just wait, okay? So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So I have this book with me right now, and I've written down my prices of the dresses each here in the book. So I'm going to read out accordingly. I'm going to see the dresses accordingly, and I'm going to show you. But yeah, I'm going to put the picture of my order details in the end of the video, so you can check them out. And if you want to see me wearing these dresses, you can check my Instagram. So my first dress for you is the red dress which I got from Shein, and here is it. So this is my dress right here, can you see? So it's not like really short, it's not like long, but it's a very mid-length dress. And the neck pattern, can you see this? It's a very nice dress, guys. It's a very nice dress, but the only problem for me with this dress is it's a little like, can you see? You can see my face through the dress too if you just like stretch it. So it's a little too transparent, you can say. But if you wear something inside, it is a very nice buy. And this costed me around 232 rupees. Just 232 rupees. Since the dress is a little too sheer, you can wear anything inside, and you can make this work, because you will not get anything for 232 rupees. Like yeah, 232 rupees. Moving on, my next dress for you is the blue dress. So I really love this dress, but there's only one problem with this dress, but that's not a major problem. You can fix this out, okay? So this is the dress. Can you see? This is the dress, and that's the sleeves. Like the pattern of the sleeves is really nice. Very, very, very nice. And that's the back. Guys, the back is amazing. I got this dress because of the back. My only problem with this dress is like the sleeves. Wait, I'll show you. Can you see, like this is the dress, and there is nothing here to cover. So the entire thing is open, which is till here, till your below the bust. So everything is going to be seen, obviously. So this is the reason. There's only one drawback to this dress, is there's nothing here to hide. You know, you at least need a cloth a little bit where it's not showing, if you just want to show off your back, right? So I'm going to be fixing this. I'm going to just attach a kind of a nice lace or a cloth here, like a plain cloth or a nice blue colored lace kind of a fabric. Yeah, I'm going to just attach that here, and I'm good to go. I got this dress for 237 rupees. The quality of this dress is amazing. I mean, for 237, it's a very, very, very good quality. I would rate the red dress out of 10 would be 6.5, but I would give this an 8.5 for sure. Just I would deduct the 1.5 for this portion here, but other than that, I just love this dress. I just love this blue dress. Moving on, my next dress is this purple dress. So it's a tube dress. It's a very nice dress. It's a very short dress. It has a tulip cut detail here. Can you see this? Like yeah. So this detail on the thighs, it looks really nice. It's a very nice fitted dress. If you are not comfortable with just wearing the tube and it just falls, or you know, it just makes you uncomfortable, you have these straps too, which was attached with the dress when it came to me. And these straps are so good. Your dress looks really nice. You won't feel like it's an uncomfortable dress. It's a very comfortable tube dress, and I really love this. I just can't wait to wear this. I just can't wait to go out post lockdown and wear this. But this dress is really very, very nice. It's a must buy, guys. It's a must buy. So yeah, this was my purple dress, and I got this for 214 rupees, guys. 214, and I'm not kidding you. I just got this dress for 214, and I'm going to put the picture in the end of the video, and you can check I'm not lying. It is actually for 214 when I got it. I give that purple dress a 10 out of 10, guys. It is so good and I really love it. You should also buy this. It's a must buy tube dress for every girl. So moving on, the next dress I have is a grey dress. It's a very nice dress. It is like kind of a dress which you can wear it for your college. No, yeah, you can wear it to college, you can wear it to office. It's more like an office kind of a dress. It's a very daily wear basic dress, and I love this dress. It's so comfortable. The fabric is so good, so good. This is the dress. It's a very like long dress. It's like not over long, but it's like just it comes to my calf. So it's a very nice decent length. It's a turtleneck dress, guys. It's a turtleneck dress. Sleeves, like, they hardly have anything. So it's like kind of a sleeveless dress. But yeah, that's the grey dress I have, which is this long. I love this turtleneck dress. It's so comfortable. It's so good. It's just the perfect buy. To the grey dress also, I will give 10 out of 10, guys. I just love that dress. It's a very nice office dress and a very nice brunch or lunch dress. I really love it. You can wear it to college too. It's a very nice dress. Moving on, my next dress for you is the brown one. I've worn this dress more than I think 5-6 times now, and I love this dress. I am super obsessed with this dress. So that is the neck. It has a V-cut here. It's a full sleeves dress, and it's a it's like a long dress. It's also like this dress also comes to like till the calf. So I wear a belt below my bust, and I just pull the dress a little up and make it a little baggy from top and a little short from down. It works very good, and if you want it to be a very long dress, you can wear it like that. And if you want to just wear it with the belt, you can just wear it with the belt too. I love this dress. Check my Instagram. I have put pictures in this dress, and I really love this dress. It's a must buy, guys. It's a very good dress. The fabric is so soft. It is so good. It doesn't look cheap at all. It's a little heavy, like the dress feels a little heavy. It feels a little luxurious. It doesn't feel cheap at all. Trust me, not cheap at all. And I got this dress for 193 rupees. Guys, I'm not joking. I got this for 193 rupees. I give this brown dress a 10 out of 10, guys. And I am in love with that dress. I will highly recommend. Please go and try. Last dress for today is the white full sleeves dress. I love this dress. It is so cute. It is so cute. I've worn it like 2 to 3 times now, and I am super obsessed with this dress. It's a very like cute kind of a dress. I'll show you. So that's the dress. It's like it comes a little above my knee. That's the sleeves, guys. It is so cute. They have this not pleating, but yeah, kind of a pleating here. And yeah, this is like, I don't know what is this called, but yeah, there's an elastic here. So it is like it's really tacked. After wearing it, looks really very nice, and it is not a straight fit dress, so it has a little bit of like, you know, A-line to it. It's an A-line dress. Yeah, it's a very nice dress, guys. It's a best buy. So this, the brown and the tube dress, that was my best buys. I love them. Under 250 rupees, these 6 dresses are my favorite. My least favorite out of this is the red and the, yeah, just the red. But if I have to see for the price, I love all of them. This white dress I got for 192 rupees. I give this dress a 10 out of 10, guys.
So these are my order details, and the price I've paid is mentioned in the red.